Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepared my creamy shrimp pasta. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So first things first, you want to cook your pasta in salted boiling water. I'll be using 1.5 cups of penne pasta, which is my pasta of choice. You guys can use whatever pasta you have. Also, you want to cook your pasta for about 10 to 12 minutes or according to the package instruction until it's al dente. Now guys, it's time to check if our pasta is cooked. And yeah, it's perfectly cooked al dente. And now that it's cooked, we're gonna run it under cold running water just to stop the cooking process. Now moving on to the seasoning of the shrimp, I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the shrimp. And this is just to allow the seasoning to stick to the shrimp. And for the season, I have seafood season, which is 2 tablespoons of seafood season. I also have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now you want to pour your season over your shrimp, and you want to season that until it's well seasoned, guys. Okay, flavorful. You guys already know how we do over here. We love flavor over here. Okay. Now guys, in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. We're gonna allow that to melt, then we're gonna sear our shrimp. Okay, now that it's nice and toasty, we're gonna be placing our shrimp in that skillet, and we're gonna cook our shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side because we do not like a tough shrimp, guys. A tough shrimp is not a nice shrimp. Okay, no rubber shrimp. Okay guys, now it's time to turn our shrimp after 2 minutes, and you're gonna look at the sear on that. Just beautiful. We're looking for a nice beautiful golden sear, guys. Okay, and also guys, if you want to add additional meat to it, you can go ahead and add sausage, or you can add bacon. You know, that's a great choice. If you guys are bacon lover, sausage lover, go ahead and sear your bacon or sausage, guys, and you can add it to your pasta. That would be a great addition to it. Now it's time to remove our shrimp, and we're gonna set that aside. Now guys, in that same skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Now guys, when it's nice and melted, we're gonna be sauteing our onions and garlic. Now guys, I'm going in with 1/2 cup of red onions, and I'm gonna saute these until they are fragrant and translucent. Now it's time to add our garlic, guys, and this is 1 teaspoon of garlic. I didn't add it while I was adding the onions because garlic, it burns really easily, so I just try to avoid that. Now I'm adding my spinach. And this is an optional ingredient, guys. I just wanted to get rid of it because it was in the freezer. Now I'm going in with 1 cup of heavy cream. If you guys have half and half, you can go ahead and use your half and half as well. I just find that the heavy cream, it makes your pasta more creamier. It just tastes better with heavy cream, okay? Then we're going in with 2 teaspoons of cream cheese, and this is what's gonna kick it up a notch, guys. Like, this is gonna make your pasta so creamy. It's gonna taste so good, so good. If you guys have goat cheese, go ahead and add that to it as well, guys. The creamier the better. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going in with our penne pasta. Then I'm gonna add our cheese and more season, guys. Okay, I literally eyeball this part, but this is about a teaspoon of Cajun season and maybe a half teaspoon of paprika again. But this one is smoked paprika. And look at that, guys, so good. If you guys have parm, go ahead and add your parm to that. But this was so good, guys, so creamy and delicious. You guys need to just try this recipe. It was so good. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Oh my goodness, so good. Just a super simple recipe, guys. Really easy to prepare in less than 30 minutes. If you guys are a pasta lover like I am, just go ahead and try this recipe out. This was so good, really creamy, guys. You guys can also go ahead and add sausage and zhuzh it up a bit if that's your preference. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.